Hello. Beginning this week, I am going to post for you a short introduction that I call Coming Attractions. So the Coming Attractions for week 4. Here's what you're going to be covering in research. First, you're going to be talking a little bit more about the IRB. In fact, we're going to get serious about an IRB. There is a YouTube video about it, and there's a little bit of discussion about what an IRB application will mean. You're not actually going to submit the IRB application, but what it does do is it is a culminating form that provides a lot of background or information about different pieces. So I want you to complete it. I want you to complete it even though you did one in Denise's class. For most, if not all of you, you've made some changes to your research. Now's the time to make sure that that IRB actually provides the instructions and the directions and the details that you need based on your change of topic. The second thing you're going to do this week is you're going to look at the introduction to your research report. There is a video you're going to watch on that and some directions, a couple articles. Then I just want you to dig in and give it a shot. So your assignment for week 4 is to submit both a draft of your introduction and then also the IRB. And you can submit this as a single document, which means like you did with your portfolio, you complete your IRB application, then put in what would be the initial introduction to your entire report. I hope you'll enjoy this week. If you need some help, don't forget, you always can reach out to me. Thank you so much. Take care and enjoy week 4.